guys, it's Mario Roman. We are in Turkey for the Sea to Sky 2019.
Yeah, it was good. It was quite fast, nothing too difficult. Very slippery and loose, but bike felt good, had a good feeling, so happy to finish.
Good feeling overall. The bike is working great and looking forward to make a good day in the canyon tomorrow and also in the mountain on Saturday. Canyon day, very enjoyable from the beginning. The track was pretty technical. I had a lot of fun. In the beginning I catch Graham. I was trying to pass him, but it was impossible with the Dusty. So thanks for him because he let me pass after a few minutes.
Today it was the final day to the top of the mountain. Got off to a good start, managed to get in front just before the riverbed. Thanks to the team. and super happy to finish second, and yeah, we'll be back next year.
And I had a very big fight until the end, and finally I get into the top. So very happy, thanks for Sherco. We are doing an amazing job, amazing season, and everything is perfect. Thank you.